Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to Shopify. Alright, let's begin. First, open two tabs, one for GoDaddy and one for Shopify. Log into both accounts. On GoDaddy, go to My Products, then select Domains. Click Manage next to the domain you want to connect. In the domain settings, find the DNS tab and open it. Leave this tab open for now. Now, go to Shopify and navigate to Settings. Click Domains and select Connect Existing Domain. Copy your GoDaddy domain and paste it into Shopify. Click Next, then follow the setup instructions. Go back to GoDaddy's DNS settings to add two records. First, add an A record. Click Add New Record, choose A as the type, set the name as @ and paste the required value from Shopify. Click Save. Next, add a CNAME record. Click Add New Record, select CNAME as the type, set the name as www, and paste the required Shopify value. Click Save. Return to Shopify and click Verify Connection. The status may show as pending, but this is normal. Domain verification can take some time. Once verified, your domain will be connected. So that's basically how you can connect a GoDaddy domain to Shopify. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.